Okay, so now it's time to talk about GrooveFunnels. You know, first we in the other video we talked about Groove pages, and now we need to talk about GrooveFunnels. But before we actually dig into this Groove.cm and what it can do, then I just want to give you a quick one-on-one crash course about what sales funnels actually are. And you see, a sales funnel, is a step-by-step process that guides potential customers from discovering your brand to making a purchase. That is actually the idea about sales funnels. And then if we have four stages of this sales funnel here, and you can see this top one here is the awareness stage, and then we get a little bit down the funnel. So now they started to get interested. And then we have the decision and the action stage, and then right here at the bottom, we have a converted customer. So, the awareness stage is where people first learn about your business, and that could be via an ad or Instagram, or it could be via Google or anything, anything that can drive traffic to the funnel, And then the second thing is the interest part. They start engaging and reading your content, and they're signing up for your email list and watching your videos. So the goal is to build curiosity and trust with the target audience. And then we have the third one, and that is the decision. They are seriously considering buying right now, and they're comparing offers, reading reviews, checking bonuses, and here the goal is to persuade and handle objections. And the last step, that is action. And right now they make a purchase, they sign up, or they take some kind of action that you want them to do. And the goal is, of course, convert them into customers. So that is basically what a sales funnel, is. That's the very, very basics of what a sales funnel is. So let's say I have some more notes here. We have, for example, this is if a customer wants a free ebook, then he will start, he will sign up for the free ebook in the start of the funnel. And then you have to nurture that email, that contact. And you'll do that by sending him emails about anything that is related to your brand. You don't want to sell. You just want to actually, you want to nurture the lead, like it says. And then after you have nurtured that lead, and with all your emails that you have been sending out where you have given value and value, then at some point you'll send out some kind of offer to that lead, And this is where they'll visit the sales page here. And then some of the audience will buy and some of them will not. That is just how it is. But that is actually what you want them to do. You give them a free ebook, you nurture the leads, and then you also make them buy something at the very end of the funnel. So this is some other strategies. We have the upsells and cross sells. We have onboarding emails, and we have review and referral requests, and also loyalty offers. But this is, I don't want to go too much into this. Right now, I just want to go to Groove.cm, and then let's talk about the funnels, how to make them here. So let's go here, GrooveFunnels. And when we first arrive here, we have to make a new site, and we'll choose funnels right here. After that, we can see some different templates that we can pull up. I actually like this one here right now. And then we can either, like the other video, I said that you can either click only one of them, or you can select all of them. Or you can import the full template. So I'll just import the full template right here, and then I'll just name it something like, test, and then start building. Then it takes a few seconds to load, and yeah, now we got it. Great. And up here you can see this is applying to all devices. When you make a change, then you're making a change on both desktops and laptops and phones and tablets and so on. You can toggle that off right here so that you only make a change to the desktop here or the laptop mode here. But this is right now when it's turned on, it's for all devices. So when you make something right here, if you change something on the page, then it is edited on all devices. So yeah, but this is the template that I got right now, and it's actually pretty cool. Right out of the box, like the other, I really like the templates that Groove.cm they provide. And this is a very basic one where we want to give them something for free. In this case, it's a free training. And then when we scroll down, you can see here, you can type in your name and your email, and then hit get it now, and then you'll get an email, and you'll get the free offer or something like that. And you can also press download now here at the bottom. So we can of course make a lot of changes to this page here, over here we have every single thing that we want to make it to change something, and I don't want to do too much to this one right now. What I want to do right now is that I want to go here to pages, and then you can see this is all the different kinds of stages, or this is the funnel actually. And we have a squeeze page, that is the one we are on right now. Then we have, let's see here, the product launch page 1. That is this one. 1 second, if I can, yeah, here it is. That is this one here. Then we have another thing, you don't forget to download your free cheat sheet, download now. So it's very simple. We want the viewers or the audience to take one action, and that is to sign up for the free offer, nothing else. When they get to the website, they have two choices. They can either just skip the page and move on to another website, or they can actually sign up for the offer. That's the whole idea with a sales funnel. We want them to make a choice. Are you in or are you out? So yeah, but let's go back here to the pages, and then let's we don't want product launch page 1, so we'll delete that one, and then we'll also we'll actually delete all the product launch pages. Let's see here. So, and actually, we also delete this one here. So now it's a very basic funnel. There's the squeeze page, like we was the page we was on before. This one here, that is the squeeze page where they land on, and then when they have pressed, typed in the name and typed in the email and press get it now, then they'll be redirected to this one here, order, the thank you page. And your order has been processed and completed. Thank you for your purchase. Please access your purchase below. And then there's a step-by-step what you could do or what you should do. And that's it. Then you got that lead now in your email marketing, right? In your you got that in your ecosystem right now. Now you can actually nurture the leads like I talked about before, and you can really give them value, and then at the end you can also at some point sell them something. So now they are your traffic. They are an asset right now. That they what you would call it right now. It's your lead. It's not you own that lead. Let's say you have an email list with 1,000 people on it. That is traffic that you own right now. For example, let's say you have 1,000 followers on Instagram. Yeah, well, 1,000 followers isn't the same as 1,000 leads on an email list, because you can get shut down on Instagram tomorrow, and then all your 1,000 followers, they're gone, and you don't have any leads on your email list. Right now, you have 1,000 email leads on your email list, and you can market to them, you can nurture them, and you can sell to them right now. So, that is the power of an email list. And we'll get to, to this, where it is right here, Groove Mail. We'll come to the email list, and also how to do all this later on, but right now we are talking about GrooveFunnels. So Yeah, that is actually it. I don't want to make a lot of changes to, for example, this one here. You can sit down yourself and then just look around, and if there's something you don't want on the list, maybe let's say here, if we don't want this one here, this one, we could just hit delete, confirm, and then now it's gone. We can also, if we don't want this one here, and then we can also take this off, confirm. So now it's a very simple. It's a very simple page right now, and you can just like I said before, go in and make some changes. You can change everything over here right now. And this is actually just a short rundown about what GrooveFunnels is. So I will see you in the next video that is coming up soon. And take care.